Stock market live updates. Market began the August series on a negative note, extending the prevailing corrective trend and ending the lower by over 0.5%. The first half of the session remained range bound, with the Nifty oscillating in a narrow band. However, selling pressure in the heavyweights during the final hours dragged the index below its medium-term moving average, the 100-day EMA, near the 24,600 mark, eventually settling at 24,565.35. Also, on the sectoral front, the pharma, metal and the IT were among the top losers. The broader indices also witnessed the sharp cuts, each losing nearly 1.5%, resulting in a significant decline in the market breadth. Also, markets continue to grapple with a mixed earnings session, while the recent tariff announcements and the persistent foreign fund overflow are also further weighing on the sentiment. Nifty is now approaching its next crucial support at 24,450. A breach of this level could trigger a retest of the long-term moving average, the 200-day EMA, near the 24,180. On the upside, the 24,800, 25,000 zone is expected to act as a strong hurdle. We maintain our caution stance and continue to recommend a hedged approach with a negative bias until the clear signs of the reversal emerge. The Indian equity market also extended its decline for a second day, pressured by the renewed tariff threats and punitive duties that could undermine India's global trade competitiveness. The investor sentiment weakened further as the FIIs now hold the second highest net short position, its derivative. Reflecting of the elevated caution globally, the markets turned negative amid the rising of the United States inflation and trade tensions. While the sell-off was the broad-based, the FMCG stocks emerged as a defensive play supported by the attractive valuation, the resilient demand and the relative immunity to external trade disruptions. Shares of the Procter & Gamble Health hit a 4-year high at the rupees 6,475 as they rallied 10% on the BSE in the Friday's intraday trade in an otherwise weak market after the company reported strong earnings for the quarter ended June 2025. Also, the shares of the high-end hotel operators, that is Charlotte Hotel, jumped 19% on the Friday, August 1, 2025, logging an intraday high of rupees 1,000 after announcing its result for the first quarter of the financial year 2025 and 26. The barring trend, the Asian Paint, HUL, ITC, Kotak Reliance Industries and Power Grid, all the other constituent of the stock of the BSE Sensex, were also trading low.